Hi, welcome to this week's UMIP Community Review call. This week we have two UMIPs up for consideration, both price identifiers, one CVX USD, the other USPAC 10. Let me just share my screen. If we start with USPAC 10 EMP, this is the price identifier designed for use in our EMP contracts with a basket of tokens for special purpose acquisition companies. I know that there's been some iterations on this price identifier. Raina, so you've been in touch with the team and been speaking to them. Do you want to give us an update?
Yes, there's an update in a sense that the price feed implementation has been updated to cover 1 minute pricing interval data from another source, which in most of the cases works pretty fine. There was only one edge case when for the situation when the price request is being made on the same minute period when the request timestamp stands, and then depending on this timing of making this request, the price feed would result in different prices. So there is a suggestion to amend the price feed and also the UMIP itself to consider close price of the previous interval. Previous 1 minute interval. So if that's resolved, I wouldn't see any other blockers on this one. So it should be working pretty safely.
And it looks like there are some more comments from the author of this from like an hour and 30 minutes ago. So I'm reading through those too. And so the discussion is also about how the previous interval close price would be different from the open price of the current interval. Need to take some more time to think about that, but just calling your attention to that too.
Yeah, but sure, that might be different. But the issue is the Rapid API is not reporting open prices, so they're reporting only close prices for these intervals. So
yeah,
there's no other more reliable source than the last close price.
Gotcha.
Is this a go, or is it a go with the condition that they change this? If they decide not to change it, is a blocker?
Well, in any case, well, this poses in some edge cases scenario that depending on when you request the price, the result might differ. So I believe that should be a blocker because that poses some security issues. But I don't see it as something that can be like resolved. So I think that should be doable.
So on 428, we have a go with condition to update the close price of interval. Yeah.
Yes, update the price, update the per price feed implementation to use last interval close price.
Okay. Cool. Is everyone in agreement with that?
Makes sense to me. Yep.
Excellent. On to the next price identifier, the next UMIP pull request that we have. It's ADCVX USD CVX. This is a fairly standard pairing. Sean, do you want to speak to this? I can see you've left some comments and reviews.
Yeah, I mean, I left some comments, but it looks pretty straightforward to me. Of course, like you could use token price for this, but you don't actually have like bot price feed functionality built out that would allow us to use token price like right now. And I think they want to use this with some urgency. So it seemed it seems like the most low risk way to like get this working immediately would be to just like pass another price identifier. So that's why they're actually proposing this. But yeah, it seemed fine to me. I don't know if like Rainus had any other thoughts.
Yeah, there was only one typo in the price feed configuration example. One line was missing, but apart from that, it should be functional and looked good.
Sweet.
Cool. So that's a go with condition to correct the typo.
I mean, it's just one typo, so I think it's just a go.
Okay. Cool. Everyone good with go?
Yep.
Yep.
Excellent. Any other issues that people want to bring up?
Nope.
Excellent.
Cool.
Thanks to you all for attending.
Thanks, Var.
Thanks,
All right.
Var.
Thank you. Bye.